Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about RDP, which stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. It's a software from Microsoft, I believe, which allows you to remotely connect to your machine somewhere out there physically. Could be physically separated or what have you. So let me demonstrate how you access RDP software from your Windows. So if you go, open your command prompt, uh, and then type mstsc, and then if you click connect, enter your user credential, and then you can actually work on the machine somewhere remotely, I guess. So you can see it's fully occupying one screen on my laptop here. So I'm gonna close this session here. Okay, so like I said, as you can see, I do have like 4 screens set up here, but if you hit identify, they tell you which screen is where, right? So let's say, for example, if you want to access all 4 screens for RTP, the way you do it is you go in here, go show options, display, use all my default monitors. So if you do that and you enter your user credential, you can see that all 4 monitors are actually being used for the remote desktop protocol. If I move the cursor around here, you can see actually it's navigating correctly, right? So let's say, for example, you don't really want to occupy all 4. You actually only need maybe 2, right? Say you only need 4 and 3. You only need 4 and 3, monitor 4 and 3, but you want to keep 1 and 2 for your other users, right? So the way you do that is actually it's a bit hidden. It's not accessible to users. I don't know why Microsoft does that, but if you go in here, first of all, you have to make sure that displays are all here like that. Make sure this checked. The next thing you do is you go in here and you say save as, and let's save it on our desktop. We call it YouTube multi-monitor, something like that, right? And then hit save. Then you open this here with any of your text pad or notepad here. Okay, so first of all, make sure that use multi-mon is set to 1. Make sure it's 1, right? And then next thing you want to do is to type selected monitors colon s colon, and after this, what you have to do is you have to type the ID of the monitors. So if you don't know the ID of the monitors, you go msts/l. It'll give you all the ID of the monitors. Now, oops, there you go. This ID here, 10345, is not synonymous to 1234. This ID number here, they are not the same. That's one thing you have to remember. So if you don't know where this 345 is, right, you can sort of figure out using the X, Y, and Z coordinates that's provided here. But if you don't really want to do that, what you can do is you go in here and you say 3. So essentially what he's saying is only show me show your RDP on monitor 3. So let me show you what I mean by that. If I save it here, and if I launch this RDP here, if you key in your user credential, you can see that RDP session begins on the top left-hand corner of the monitor, which is this is monitor ID number 3, right? So if I go in here and I try the second monitor, which is 4, ID 4. If I go in here, hit 4, save it, right? I'm gonna and open this guy here, and if I log in, you can see that's my monitor number 4, ID 4, right? So you can see they are not in order that you want it to be or the way you lay it out, right? So I'm gonna close this, and naturally, if I try monitor number 5 and I save it and I launch it, my monitor number 5 would be the center monitor. So given what you know, which is monitor 3, 4, 5. So I wanted to share these two monitors, right? These two monitors. So the way you assign this is 5 and 4. So what you have to type here is 5 and 4. It could be 4 and 5. It doesn't matter so long as they're sharing the age. What I mean by that is that when you specify this number, they have to be next to each other. What I mean by that is that they have to share the edge here. Like these two monitors, they share the edge. You cannot say if you want monitor ID 3 and 4. You can't say that because they are not sharing the edge. However, you can say you want monitor. You can say you can do monitor 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are these two monitors. Just ignore this number. It's kind of a bit confusing, but you know what you will see what I mean. So I'm gonna say 4 and 5. I'm gonna save it. Now launch it. Now you'll see if I log in here, my RDP session occupies these two sessions here, these two monitors, right? These two monitors. So just for demonstration, if I want to say RDP these two to occupy these two monitors, so if I go, that was 3 and 5, right? 3. So this was ID monitor ID 3, monitor ID 5. If I save it here, and I close this session here, you can find the I'm just gonna close it from here. Close all session. And if I launch it here, you can see these two are RDP now. So just for demonstration, right? We know this one is we know this is monitor 3, 5, and 4. Monitor ID 3, 5, and 4. So if I put 3 and 4, this is what happens. Save. So it will only come out on monitor 3 because or if worst case scenario, I guess it comes out on the bottom, I guess. I've seen it come out on monitor 3, whichever is the first one, or on your laptop, right? So that's what happens there. So the takeaway is that they have to share the edge. I think that one there held me up for quite a few days trying to figure out and scratch my head, why is it doing that, right? Other than that, I think I covered pretty much it. If you have any other question that you'd like to clarify or ask, please drop me on the comments. And apart from that, have a good day.